Driving big growth is all about understanding the small details. But with so much on your plate, finding the time to look after timekeeping, invoicing, productivity, or financial performance can be a challenge. Enter Kleos, the solution that gives you more time. With Kleos, you can transform the way you keep time. By logging timesheets in a consistent way, by activity and by case, you can stop losing valuable billable hours. And generating invoices has never been easier. Whether you use timesheets or fixed fees, invoicing in Kleos is flexible to meet your needs. You can even do batch and split billing or multi-case invoices with the advanced options included in Kleos Business Edition. What's more, with Kleos, you have all the insights you need to analyze time, activities, and billing, empowering you to improve utilization and realization rates and provide more competitive pricing in the future. Finally, you can check the account balance for each client and follow up with overdue payments faster, doing your part to improve cash flow. Are you ready to drive growth and profitability at your firm? Thousands of lawyers have issued more than 3 million invoices with Kleos, the #1 practice management software in Europe. It's Kleos time. Start your free trial today.